I just touched upon VA, NVA, ENVA. Now let us elaborate. Kindly make a notes, friends. Wherever I get small notes here and there. Absolutely necessary to deliver customer requirements. Unless I do, I can never meet to customer requirements. They can be called as VA. Absolutely not necessary. But somehow my boss told me I have been doing for a long time. Yes, they can be eliminated. NVA should be eliminated. NVA should be eliminated. ENVA is something like check on the all case. I need those activities because I want to run my business, sustenance. Right? I'll take a simple example. Catch it to you. This is one pot. This is another pot. My interest is assembled like this. I am going to step. The press is here. I am going to assemble like this and then press will come under press. Okay, let us imagine this way. Very simple action. Now, from the bin, I pick up this particular pot. It is VA or NVA? I pick it up from the bin. You can call this as VA or NVA. Sorry? Friends? Are you with me?
Yeah, what is the question, sir?
From the box, I picked up the pot before assembly. Pick it up. Can this be called as a VA or NVA?
NVA. Until the tool touches the part.
Oh, okay. Don't go to that speed. Wait. I can ENVA. I can call this to some extent ENVA. Right? Then I place the pot in the picture. VA or NVA or ENVA?
Yeah, it can
ENVA.
ENVA?
Yes.
Yes, you may call this as NVA. Okay, generally ENVA, doesn't matter. I pick up this pot, I load it. Let's see, it starts moving, coming. It is going to be assembled. It touches. The perfect VA is, kindly understand, my dear friends, slick. That's all. Not even touching, coming very close. Then that's all. This can be called as VA. Most of the things are ENVAs, but the things are definitely NVAs also. Somewhere I read. Toyota itself, they claim the VA is only to the tune of 60%, if I remember well. Assume that they are doing 100 activities in Toyota. TPS is, world recognized system, Toyota production system. Assume that the Toyota, they are doing 100 activities, of which 60 can be labeled as VAs. Then imagine a country like India, companies here. I'm not surprised if it is in single digits. I know some organizations, they produce scrap more than the okay parts. Because even today, very few companies are able to enjoy a good margin, profit margin. They don't bother much. Whatever comes in the way, they do. That's all. This is all about VA, NVA, in between ENVA. VA, NVA, in between, essentially non-value added. Okay, ENVA. I have given some examples. Kindly have a look. Friends, wherever okay, kindly take some notes. Non-value added, rework, of course, idling time. Perfectly, they are non-value added. Something like setup approval. I'm preparing a balance sheet. Balance sheet is not going to pay me back, but it is a statutory requirement because I had to run the business, necessary to sustain my business. You got a fair idea on VAs, NVAs, ENVAs?
Sir, generally, people will tell the quality department has NVA activity. but but please confirm me whether it will come under EA or NVA.
No,
Okay.
it is not valid.
No, sir, it is come under ENVA.
It is ENVA. ENVA. It is ENVA.
I agree with you, but kindly remember one thing, even in quality department, there could be lot of NVAs. But per se quality department itself, as a whole, you cannot call NVA. Good that the person asked this only for quality, I'm happy with it. But if you ask a typical manufacturing person, qualities are NVAs. They just come. Even before inspection, they are putting the red tag and then inspect. Just in the lighter side.
Management says that quality guys doesn't do anything, just keep on rejecting the lot only.
Okay. See, can you understand? Everyone is having potential. It is up to the management to bring the best out of them. Bring the best out of them. Okay, obviously, I know it's not going to happen overnight. But once management is consciously doing this time and again with a lot of perseverance, after a sizable period of time, this will definitely change the pathway of the organization. Personally, I admire L&T for one reason, one important reason. There could be many reasons. One particular reason which I witnessed myself. The moment they enter into the training hall, all will become students. All will become students. Their position, labels, nothing. They all will become perfect students. They will listen, they will think, they will ask. Not in the opposite way. First I will ask, then I will think, finally I will listen. It's too dangerous. Because slowly, many of the L&T companies are getting converted into TM organizations. Recently, I had a great opportunity, recently in the sense, a few months back, to serve for 2 L&T units. One in Vadodara, Gujarat. Other one was in, I went to Maharashtra, that is Ahmednagar. Physically seen that kind of culture. Super culture there. They will never ask any questions. First they will listen, then think. I always give a lot of time for them to discuss. They'll discuss, finally they'll ask. It's a kind of breaking the ego. Breaking the ego.
Very true.
So we cannot label a particular organization or a particular department as completely NVA. But there will be a lot of NVA activities everywhere. Everywhere. One person from Tirupur, on industries, somebody shared this with me. One Mr. Naran and my friend shared. The owner of the organization started thinking NVA in a totally different perspective. Should I have to think that particular subject? No, not again. I cannot think. If I think, that itself is NVA. Brilliant. It's a big thing. Should it be thought over now, or it is for tomorrow? It won't be for tomorrow. I have to know. Not again, sir. Tomorrow we have a time. Yes, sir. As long as it is not going to harm you. Great. No. Okay. We have a long way to go. Of course, scope for improvement is huge in a country like India. Thank you.
Sir, 1 minute. What was that word, sir? L&Ts are converted into TQM organization, TPM.
TQM.
Okay.
Deming organizations.
Okay.
Yes, Praveen. I personally witnessed. Even the same thing you may acknowledge. Lucas TS Pondicherry, where myself and Praveen worked. Salutation. Shall I tell you one thing? Lucas TS Pondicherry. I talk about 20 years back story. 1950. When the land was purchased, the so-called building, not exactly building, the tent kind of thing, created. Second tent, first one for civil, second was training hall. Can you believe this? Of course, it's a temporary one. You know, one thing, whatever we do on training is not in the expenditure side. As long as we do that meticulously, that will come only in the asset side. The balance sheet will definitely go in the asset side. For which you should have a lot of patience. I always used to mention training, is a subject, it's a subject by itself. It's something like medicine. No side effects, but it will take more time. It will take more time. Result for sure may be slow because it deals with people. Grooming people is not an easy joke. It calls for a lot of questions and perseverance. Thank you. I mentioned PQM organization. L&T, for many L&Ts, of course, yes. TV companies, yes. RANA team, yes. There are organizations. This is not enough some practices. They call them as culture creation. Not just 1 day, 2 days. Thank you. Okay. This is a kind of flow diagram we are showing. Whether it can just take a note. Yes means adds value to the customers. No means at least or the activity contributes something towards the business success. Then purely VA. No means again you are putting it back here. Yes means ENVA. Here also we get again no, it is NVA. Please take a note. Purely NVA. So VA one side, ENVA in between, then NVA. NVAs can be eliminated, friends.
Yes.
To a large extent, yes. Maybe here and there few you have to, as we started living along with the corona, we practice, like the weekend. A typical example, taking in a hospital, some percentages are coming here. These can be called as NVAs. Waiting, queuing kind of things. I'm searching for something. 43%. VA. Purely VA. 33%. These may be called as ENVAs. 24%. This is in page number C708. Okay, I'm just proceeding. Okay, one exercise. Friends, I take a very typical manufacturing process, then I make it a thing. You may have to invest about 3 minutes. Then we'll have a debate. See my inputs. One bush and a housing. Using these facilities mentioned here. Okay, a pressure and a fixture. I'm going to convert these two into this. The final subsystem will be looking like this. Final subsystem will be looking like this. A bush into a housing. You fairly understand the process? Right. Now, just take friends. It is available in a workbook, right? Simply write as 1. Then whether it is VA, ENVA or NVA. Take 3 minutes to complete. Thank you so much.
Parallelly, I wish to share one life example, sir. What happened to me during an being taken by the Britannia, right, last year. See, he just told me over telephone that there is a line and one stage cycle time is 2 seconds. At next station cycle time is 4 seconds. So which one is bottleneck? So I just simply say that it's
Which
4
comes first
seconds.
build the thing.
Yeah. So he was arguing. So I just told him that without knowing the details of that activity, how can I tell you that it is a non-value adding? Because it is okay that 4 seconds is more than 2 seconds, but what activities are going on under those 4 seconds, that must be clear.
No, assume that one activity, 2 second activity comes first. Second activity comes first. Then 2 second activity cannot be
Then
called
next
as a bottleneck.
Understood.
Maybe bottleneck, provided if you know the subsequent timing.
Yes.
4 and 4 means 4 itself is not a bottleneck. Whereas 4 and 2 means 4 is definitely bottleneck. Which comes where is the question? That is important. I agree with you.
Understood.
Yes. These are our views. Anyway, there could be some difference in opinion between these two. Probably you may think something may come here. I may say the same item is fit for NBA, but there are only dates between these two.
Sir, fifth point can be NBA.
Take a minute.
Air pressure.
I said the air pressure, I cannot operate.
No. I have already completed the activity on before steps. At last, why I am setting the air pressure?
Okay. If you are seeing this, I am looking at everything in isolation. But you try to establish a sequence. But here, all I told you in isolation. Praveen wanted to communicate something or ask something?
Sir, fifth point might be NBA.
No, inspection is must.
No, he says he thinks in a different way. I think Bush OD is having no validation here. If the OD is more, what may happen? More or less than spec. What may happen, Ravi?
Housing may get cracked.
Okay. To avoid that, I am forced to do this. Okay. That's what I said. You can have some debates between these two. I already marked here. Just see. Okay, you may. I still call that as the ENVA only.
Okay.
You may think of.
Third point, cleaning the equipment.
Okay. For me to run my business, I must clean my equipment. That's why I see.
But it cannot. It doesn't need to be done all the time.
That's okay. That frequent. This is a good point. I agree with your point. But I read your point slightly different. 1 minute. Can you please tell me yes or no? Excess cleaning of the equipment. It will come back. Yes or no? If I do something unwanted, Muda. Excess I'm doing. But normal cleaning, you make that activity as the ENBA. No harm. Anything else? Good, sir. Good. All are saying. Okay. Good. Thank you.